What is up, guys? Welcome back to damngoodcooking.com. It's your boy Dave. Today we're going to be cooking on the Elite Gourmet 14-inch indoor grill. I'm super excited. Just got this in today. I've been looking forward to it because it's been cold here in Cali. I know it's wintertime and you guys are out there in the snow, especially all my family back on the East Coast. And these guys are getting tons of snow, and I'm saying it's cold in Cali. 50 degrees is cold in Cali. But anyway, let's get started. We're about to put the Elite Gourmet 14-inch grill to the test. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough and let you see what it consists of. This is the Elite Gourmet 14-inch Cool Touch Indoor Grill. The model for this one is the EMG 98OB. Comes with the nice little lid there, very sturdy. Main reason why I wanted this indoor grill is it has the removable tray. This guy right here, well, I have it locked into place. This slides out. I'll go ahead and give you a quick demonstration. In order to pull it out, you just simply push down on this guy a little bit, pull up on the other end down here, and it slides right out. That there is going to be perfect. I always get these indoor grills and then you got to kind of take the whole thing over there. Remember the George Foreman effect where you had to take the whole tray over there and kind of wash it over the stove, then the electronics get messed up? You don't have to worry about that with this guy. This is one of the cool features and the main reason why I wanted it. So here's your grill pan, here's your power cord that simply plugs in, here's your base, and then of course you got your lid there. One of the other cool features with this, besides the option for removing and easy clean, there is a drip hole there. There's a slight lean, so all of your juices, extra oil is going to drip out of that hole there, and there is a bin that's going to be right here to catch everything, and you just simply slide that bin out and dump it. You can't beat that, guys. So all that oil, excess oil that's going to build up is going to go through this little drip hole, drop into the pan, you pull it out, drop it like it's hot. And it is wet because I don't believe in pulling something out of the box and just cooking on it. I know a few people that do that. Yeah, it's going to heat up to a certain temperature and burn all the germs away, but I just prefer to go ahead and wash it. So sorry, that's the little water on the bottom there. It's not going to hurt it because it's just the grill platform touching up on the base. The base is actually plastic. The heavy piece is actually the lid. The lid is the heaviest piece. This here is slightly a little lighter than the lid. As you see, I can kind of toss it around, but this here is like frisbee weight. Very lightweight, easy to move around, very cool. One of the nice things too I like about this is the price. This was $26 shipped. You can't beat that. 26 bucks, indoor grill. Let's get started. So let me show you what I'm going to make. I'm going to drop one of these ribeyes. I'm not going to eat all three of these, of course. It's just me eating the steak. I'm actually making some salmon for Michelle and some asparagus on the stove there. But I'm going to drop one of these ribeyes in there, some green beans, throw some onions on there, and then drop it on top of the steak, put it in this guy, and I'm really looking forward to it. One of the things that I hope doesn't happen, one time I had an indoor grill before, and that indoor grill required a commercial exhaust. The whole house was just like covered with this cloud of smoke. So I'm hoping this isn't going to be the case. The plug-in looks just like how the wok is that I have. Simply plugs in, you set your temperature, respective temperature, so if it does get out of hand, I can turn it down, so I do have control on this. It's not one set temperature. If it gets out of control, I can turn it down, and then I can always slap the lid on top there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these vegetables cleaned up, and we'll go ahead and get started, guys. So, got my vegetables cleaned, ready, seasoned. Got my onions chopped up that I'm going to put on there. Got my lemons that I'm going to drop on top of the green beans for seasoning. Got the steak, so let's get this stuff to the grill. Oh, also, since I'm starving, I'm always hungry, I went ahead and chopped up some potatoes, seasoned those guys, got them over there. I'm going to put her asparagus on that skillet. And then, of course, I got her salmon in the oven there. So let's go ahead and get it on the grill. It's already heated up. I put a little splash of oil on there. You don't need it. As you see how the oil moved around, you don't need it. I just always do it, especially on anything new. I usually turn it all the way up to maximum temperature, put a little oil on there so it doesn't affect the product. That way all that newness can burn off. So that was a little bit extra after I did that and cleaned it, popped it on there. Of course, you don't have to do that. That's just a little something that I always do. I always heat a product up to the max, try to burn off some of those extra chemicals or whatever else from when it was sitting in a warehouse, even though I cleaned it, and it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and get that on there. Come here, steaky, steaky, steaky. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another little pointer that I do is these trays, I'm going to throw them away anyway. So if I'm going to season some meats, of course don't mix your meats and vegetables, I'm just simply going to do it on a tray, especially if I'm grilling outside. I put everything on there, get it onto the grill, and you know what? That's one less dish you guys got to wash. Oh wow. That looks good enough for the thumbnail right there. Go ahead and put the top on there and let it sit for about 8 minutes. Flip that steak around, let it sit for about another 8 minutes. I like my steak either well done or medium well. Just depends. My first time cooking on here. Let's take a little glance underneath it really quick, see what's going on. Oh, even got the little steak lines there. That's looking really good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for about 8 minutes. Flip it over. Of course, I'll keep blending the vegetables there. Let's see how those guys are cooking on there. Pretty good. Nothing's sizzling at the bottom there. So really good. So far, really happy with this product, and the house isn't filled with smoke everywhere. Nice product for 26 bucks. You can't beat that. I had it on 8 minutes on one side. I flipped it over, 8 minutes on the other. One observation that I did notice, the ends are actually cooking a little hotter. So it'll be a good idea when you're cooking on this device to kind of shift things around a little bit there. But let's go ahead and do that test. Nice and tender there, cuts right through, and we're at medium well. So it's time to take it off of there. So far, 2 thumbs up. There we have it. Ribeye and green beans on a 14-inch Cool Touch indoor grill. That looks delicious. Doesn't really stick to it as well. I know I did put some oil down there, but I'm loving this indoor grill. And it's not full of smoke in here. Can't beat it. It's the Elite Gourmet 14-inch Cool Touch indoor grill. 26 bucks on Amazon. Definitely give this product a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, I got some more products I'm gonna be trying out here soon. A lot of cool stuff coming your way. Thank you so much to the 44 subscribers that are out there. It's your boy Dave, Damn Good Cooking, signing out. Until next time, peace.